Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will guide you through downloading and installing Blender, a free and powerful 3D creation tools for animation, modeling, rendering and more. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to www.blender.org. Click on the Download Blender button on the home page. Select the appropriate version for your operating system, such as Windows, Mac or Linux. I use Windows, so I am downloading Windows. Make sure you have downloaded at the latest version for the best performance. Now click on Download Blender. Wait for the download to complete. Once the download is complete, click on your downloaded file. Now click Next and tick I accept the terms in the license agreement to proceed. Then click on Next. Decide where you save your downloaded file and click on Next. Now click Install. And the Blender software will be installed on your computer or laptop. After installation, you can use the Blender software by clicking on Finish. And this is how you can download and install Blender on your computer or laptop. Now you are ready to create amazing 3D project. If this video is helpful, then for more technical tips, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.